Hi friends, welcome to Cakes and Conversations. And today we're gonna make the trending burn away cake, burn out cake, whatever it's known as. So normally you will cover your cake as usual, okay? Buttercream, layering, frosting, everything. Then here I have a message on my edible sheet. Okay, I'm gonna place it on the top of my cake. So I've placed it on the top of my cake. You can see the cake is 6 inch, but my image is like 5.5 because I will have a border on the top. Okay, so that's the cake, and I'll show you the next step. Then I'm preparing my top layer. Okay, this is on wafer paper. I got it printed edible, but you know, this became very small. This is my pan, 6 inch, and if you see, the image is very small, and if I'm going to put it in the border it may not fit. Okay, so I just had some extra sheets, okay, of paper paper. I just printed it on my normal non-edible printer, okay, with the normal inks. Anyway, it's just gonna be burnout, so I just printed it because I had no option. And yeah, let's assemble it. Now I'm piping a border on this. So when I build two layers like this, you can see alternative, the design looks pretty. Just gonna keep my wafer paper on the top. Make sure that the message is straight and the top message is straight as well. So this is straight and that is straight as well. Don't press it too hard, just very gently around the border. Because I don't want to lose this design, and then a top border will come in. So it's been setting because this is white chocolate ganache and this is buttercream. Now here I've used the 4B tip, okay, Wilton 4B. On the top border I'm using 1M, and I'm going to pipe the shell border like this. So I've piped the border on this. I really like the design from the side. Now I'm going to decorate it with mini gold pearls and some artificial mini flowers. Let's finish the cake. So this is how I decorated it, with the pearls on the top and the side. Now you can put happy birthday here or any message here. So yeah, that's the finished cake.